Hello there, it's Ellie here, and in this video I'm going to be talking a little bit about the site called Stormgain. This is an account that I have started quite recently, just a few days ago really, but I'm enjoying it so much and I'm making quite a bit of money with it as well, so I decided I would do a video to show you exactly how to use it. So the first thing about Stormgain that you need to know is that it is an account for trading cryptocurrency. Now, if you've never traded before, then I know that this screen can look a little bit scary. I personally have very little experience of trading, and within a couple of days I was able to figure this out. So I'm just going to share a few tips with you, and I'm also going to show you one of the things that is one of the main reasons why I'm recommending this site, and it's because on Stormgain you can actually use this option, the miner, and if you click on here you will get free cash added to your Stormgain account from the miner. So you can see here at the minute I have $2.73 in my account. It's actually USDT, which is Tether. But Tether is equivalent to US dollars, so we'll just consider this as $2.73. Now what I want to highlight on here is the fact that just down here you can see the daily income. I can make 0.51 or 51 cents using this miner each day. I can get $3.56 each week, and 30-day income $15.25. Now I do have to have a minimum of $10 to be able to withdraw from this miner, but as you can see, like this will basically allow you to be able to get at least $10 per month, and once a month being able to get that free cash and use it to actually trade with means that you can actually make quite a lot of money from this account. So I just want to tell you here, you can see here it shows you time remaining 3 hours 12 minutes 7 seconds. Whenever you first log on here there'll be an activate button, a green activate button. You click that and it will run for 4 hours at a time. It doesn't use data or anything like that. It's completely in the cloud, so you can literally click on the activate button, go away, go to other websites or anything you want to, let it run on its own, come back after 4 hours and reactivate the miner. Now, if you've done that, then you can have then some free cash in your account. And as I said, I suggest what you do with that is to actually trade with it. So we're going to look at the trades here and show you how the trades work. Now, again, I'm just going to let you know that I'm very much a beginner. I'm a complete novice at this. So, there'll be other people who will tell you a lot more information about this than I can. But these are the basics that I have learned so far. Actually, if I go into my reports, I just want to show you, if I go to the closed trades, I just want to show you here that I am making money. So, there's first trade today, I made 127 on it. Yesterday there was one for 20 cents, 24 cents, 87 cents, 197, 50 cents, 50 cents, 50 cents. So, as you can see, like all of those trades that I've done in the past couple of days, I have made money on all of them. So, I'm going to show you exactly what I have been doing. Now, I just want to highlight a couple of the differences here. So this one, you can see that there's no green TP beside it, and this one has TP beside it. So this one, the green TP is take profit, and the ones without TP I have been running manually. So let's go over to the trading options and I'll show you exactly how this works. So the first thing that I will say is you need to make sure that your chart is on the 5 here, which means that you will be able to see, several hours worth of the recent trades and the the value of the coin. So this one is Bitcoin, this one is Ethereum, this one is XRP, this one is Litecoin, and this one is Bitcoin Cash. So there's different coins there that you can trade with. What I have been doing personally is literally waiting until the value of the coin is quite low. So you can see here a couple of times in the past few hours it has gone down quite low. There's another one that's reasonably low, and then obviously you want to buy low and sell high. So right now on this coin you can see it has had a high there and it has come down in value a little bit, but it's moving up and down. So if you watch this figure you can see that is currently going up. So it goes up and down, up and down, up and down. If I go over to my reports tab, I have actually got a live trade running here at the minute. So this is a Litecoin one, and you can see I'm on -22 at the minute. If I click on this arrow, it will bring up the current chart for Litecoin. So Litecoin is going up and down at the minute. Now this was quite a risky trade that I did because it was quite high in value. Usually what I do is wait until it's way down here, but I wanted to do a trade so as I could show you on the video. So I'll be watching this figure here, and once this goes green, that means then that I'm going to be making a profit if I close the trade. If it's green or if it's red at the minute, I'm currently losing 30 cents. Now I can still close the trade right now. If I closed it right now, clicking on this button, then I would be losing 30 cents from my account. So I'm going to wait and see what's happening here because it's kind of going up and down and up and down at the minute. So fingers crossed that it will actually go back up again. As I said, that's quite a risky trade. I don't usually do that when the value is, you know, up here quite high. I will wait until it's pretty close to the bottom. So let's go back to the Futures tab and show you how to actually start a trade. So at the minute, this is the Bitcoin one. You can see that the value of Bitcoin is moving up and down quite a lot right now. It's hard to tell whether this is going to go up or down. I think it's possibly going to go up. So I'm going to do a trade on here. So the trade amount, the minimum trade amount is $10. So I've changed that to 10 and I'm ready now to actually buy my trade. Leverage, I have to be honest with you and say I don't really know very much about this, so I just keep it quite low. Maybe about 10, 15, whatever that is, I don't know. If I want to buy, I click on here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to watch this figure going up and down here a little bit. So, you know, it's gone up to 20, it's going back down again, up to 23, 24, 19. So, you know, 20. I'm going to try and get it while the figure's quite low here. So I just literally watch it. 22, it's going to go down another little bit. 23, no, I'm going to go in for it now. Okay, so I've just clicked on the buy button and you can see that that now is a current trade. If I go into my reports, there we go. So this is the Bitcoin one, the trade that I have literally just done. Okay, so this is the trade that I have just done. And I can put this onto full screen here, which shows a bit more detail. I move this up a little bit. So basically I'm going to be watching this figure and hoping that it goes up to something green. If it doesn't, you can see that the figure here is actually increasing here. It's up to 21, but it's a minus, so that means that the value is going down right now. So I'm literally just going to sit and wait and see if it goes up. was a risky trade because it's quite high in value. But if you're going to be, watching it and you're able to sort of take the profit quite quickly, then, these trades are something you can make money from, put it that way. Personally, as I said, I would wait until the values are quite low. Watch, what's been happening over the past sort of several hours, certainly. You can change the time scales here. So this is what's been happening on certain days. So if I go down a little bit, you can see this is the August 14th, September 14th, October 14th. So I can see that the value has, it's gone down, but it's currently starting to go up there at the end. So hopefully that is going to allow me to make a little bit of profit. Now, if I have put a trade in, like I have right now, and I'm looking at it thinking, oh, the value, I think it's going to go back down again, I can close out this trade. I could close it right now and lose 45 cents. It means then that you're going to minimize the amount of money that you're going to lose on the trade. But I'm going to sit and wait and hope, keep my fingers crossed, that this value is going to go back up again. So you can see it's starting to turn it back up again. So the minus figure is going down. I'm hoping it's going to go green. If it does go green while I'm on here, I'm going to actually come out of the full screen again. If it does go green while I'm on here, I can click here on close trade, and that means then I will have made a profit. If I click close trade right now, I will have lost 25 cents. So sometimes, if I think it is going to have a big drop in value, losing 25 cents is better than losing $1.25 or $5.25 or whatever. So obviously you are taking a risk whenever you're trading. So, you have to be quite cautious with this. Okay, so I don't know what's going to happen. I think it might go back up again. I will check this trade again later on. I'll let it run for a little while and hopefully it will go up in value. Okay, so that's pretty much all I wanted to show you in this video. Hopefully that is sufficient for you to actually learn how to start a trade, what to look for. As I said, I'm a complete novice, and over the past sort of few days I've been able to make money on every trade that I've made. So, I'm doing not too badly. There is, just I want to show you another thing here. Under the More tab, Video Education, there is a lot, and I mean a lot, of guidance provided on this site. It tells you there's extra videos on all kinds of topics. There's the latest topics. You usually get one every single day that's going to teach you something about trading. And I highly recommend that you start with the basics. If you're completely new to trading, if I go down a little bit further here, you can see here wallet management first steps. So I have completed these videos and that has taught me enough. So I know what to trade. Okay, so that's it for now. I no doubt will come back and do lots more videos about Stormgain, but that's sufficient, I think, to help you actually get started. Okay, if you're going to use it, there is obviously a referral link, and I will provide it below the video. Okay, take care now, and be careful if you're trading. Good luck. Bye.